In this ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial, I will share with you everything you need to know about the latest version of ClickFunnels, which is 2.0. And in this video, I will share with you everything you need to know about this software to launch your online course or sell your digital products or your paid community in 2024 and beyond. This is the video that you all need to start using the newest version of ClickFunnels, and I will share with you all the fundamentals that is required to be known to start your selling your online courses using ClickFunnels 2.0. And also I will share with you some free templates as well as premium templates. So first step will be click the first link in the description and create a 14-day free trial account using my link. If you are doing it, you will get free 5 premium templates, and you will find a form in the description. Just submit the form and I will send you an email to your 5 premium templates for ClickFunnels 2.0. And in this video, we will start from zero, from creating an account to see the overview of the dashboard, understanding what is a site, what is a website, and what is the difference between a website and a funnel, and how it works, and how to add custom domain, how actually ClickFunnels products linking everything works, how we can automate everything, and how we can sell our own courses, how to add modules, and everything you need to know about the editor and about this software. So now let's begin with the tutorial. Before starting the tutorial, I will give you another golden chance to get 17 premium ClickFunnels 2.0 templates, which is a ClickFunnels 2.0 master pack. And these templates include 17 ClickFunnels 2.0 templates, cover all the niches like course, low ticket, homepage, auto webinar, fitness portfolio, tripwire, application funnel, BSL funnel, masterclass funnel, e-com funnel. So if you are looking to launch your next funnels or have a plan to launch various type of funnels in the future, this is the best offer you can get only for $29, which is less than $2 for a single funnel. You will get complete funnel with mobile responsive, which you can edit by yourself. Every contents you can edit using ClickFunnels 2.0. So you need the ClickFunnels 2.0 version. If you are using the old ClickFunnels 2.0, these templates will not work. So the product link will be given in the description. All you need to do is to just to purchase it for only 29 USD, and you will get instant access, as this is a digital download. So don't miss this chance. And now let's master ClickFunnels 2.0 step by step. So the first step will be click the first link in the description, and you will come to this page where you can claim your free 14-day trial account, which you can cancel anytime for ClickFunnels 2.0. And if you are making a free account using my affiliate link, then you will get free premium templates for completely free. All you need to do after creating the account is to fill up the Google form that you will find in the description as well to claim your bonuses. So that's it. Now let's move to the discussion. First of all, what you can do, you can come here and click on try for free to claim the 14-day free trial account and fill up all your information, like, and give a valid email address. Before that, let's discuss what is ClickFunnels can do and what it's included and how it actually works. So if you click on what's included, you will find all the details about what ClickFunnels 2.0 is giving us. In old version or classic version, there was many things was not there, like smart checkout, as well as many things was not a part of it in the ClickFunnels classic version. But in 2.0, they have combined each and every features that the audience wanted in a single software together. Before, it was more of a sales funnel landing page builder where you can have a sales page pitching your offer, then it goes to a checkout page for people to purchase, then there could be some upsell to give a low end product or to add them to another product, to show them another product, and then check out, and they will get automated email to get access to the course or the product. But right now they are making it like a website builder. If you know Kajabi, they are trying to be and fill up the gaps that Kajabi is giving to the audience, having a look of a website builder rather than a funnel builder. So they have introduced all of them, and you don't need to know any code. And if you scroll down, you will find that they have proven funnel templates, drag and drop builder, and also the funnel templates have been improved a lot. And you will find that people from world-class entrepreneurs are using this. Someone like Demon John, Thai Lopez, and if you scroll down, you will find they're explaining why funnel and why to use a funnel and how it looks your online business without a funnel with appropriate copywriting, and actually it's very attracting and very well layout to convey their message that how this will help us to build our online business with ClickFunnels 2.0. So this is all about ClickFunnels 2.0 and what it can achieve for us. And as you can see, many things, and there is many more to come, like e-commerce store. If you know Shopify, they are trying to fill up that space as well to become a solution for people who are selling physical products as well. Right now it is more of perfect for selling digital products, like if you have a course, if you have a webinar, if you have a community, this type of things is actually right now the priority for ClickFunnels from the beginning, to making the digital selling the digital products, digital assets really easy and within one click with automated system, so you don't have to worry about your system, it will sell while you sleep. That was the motto from the founder Russell Brunson, but right now they are moving their focus to multiple things with this 2.0 version, but the classic version remains the same. Still you can use it, but 2.0 offers a variety of options which can suit your needs. So this is up to you what to use and what not to use. You can decide based on your needs. Then after that, all you need to do is to create an account, click on start your free trial, and then give a full name and an email. So for my case, I will give this email, and then I will give my full name. It could be your agency name as well, no issue with it. And then click on continue, and after that you have to provide some card information to start the free trial, but you can cancel this anytime. Then it will come to this monthly, this step where you will find to choose a plan. As you can see, it is a $97 per month plan. So if you want to know what this plan is all about, let's click the link again and you will find it, so no issue. So I'll go to this again to see the pricing looks like. So if we click on pricing, we can find what the pricing look like. This is pricing for annual discount. If you are purchasing for 12 months, you would get a huge discount, but many people prefer to go with monthly basis. So if I click on monthly, this is the monthly plan looks like. For 147, you can have one website, that means one domain, one website. You can have one website, but you can add at three domain into that plan, and there is a funnel increases when you increase the plan. As you can see, also the contacts, that you can have up to $10,000, 10,000 plus 10,000 contacts for this basic plan, 25,000 for this plan, and then you have at least 200k contacts for this one with 9 domain, 15 user, unlimited funnels, and 3 websites. What is websites? We will see when we are working with inside ClickFunnels. You will understand what is actually website means and what the domains actually doing here. If there is 3 website, why there is 9 domain? This type of confusion can be in your head, but this will be clarified when we start working with inside the editor. So this is all about the plan where you can go whatever plan you want, but with the trial version, it actually giving us 30-day this second plan, $197 per month plan. Then you will find that get access to all future plan, nothing for first 14 days, cancel anytime, hassle free, 30-day money back guarantee. And after that, all you need to do is to fill up all those information and then just go to start my free trial, and it will redirect us to our dashboard, and I will see you there. So after providing your card information, you will redirect to a page just like that, where it is saying that ClickFunnels workpage has been created. We need to check our inbox, the email that we have used to create that account. In that case, I have used a email account, professional email account from my domain. So this how it is looks like. But if you are using your Gmail, then just go for Gmail and you can see this email has been come. Welcome to ClickFunnels. So if I open it, then you can see they have given a temporary password which I can change of course later. So the access will be only valid for 24 hours. So we need to access it right now, unless it will not work. So login URL is this. So if I click on it, so then it will redirect us to ClickFunnels, and then we need to create password. The password we can provide. Okay, then let's give a password, a strong password, right? Okay, then no, I'm giving something else because I don't. After that, it asking us to give our business name. So it could be according to your business name. Like for me, it is Funnelish Agency. Okay, it could be your business name, and then they will give us a subdomain according to that. And you can change it whatever else, right? It is not an issue. You can change it, and for sure we'll add a custom domain, so nothing to worry about it. So click on next, and this will set up the workspace for us. You may need to wait for some moment, but as you can see, straight away that has been done. And now they are asking us few basic questions. You can go and choose whatever options suits your needs. Okay, so I am just choosing few of them, and then you can click on next, or you can click on agency, click on okay, let's start. And now it is there. So now you can see this is the ClickFunnels 2.0 dashboard looks like, where we have all the options to bring our idea into life and start selling our digital products or building our websites and doing email marketing, selling our course, selling our community. Everything can be done from here, and we'll explain those and explore those by together step by step. So now let's explore the overall dashboard of ClickFunnels 2.0. So that's where we can see all the sales we'll get. Right now we don't have any, so these are empty, and this is the overall quick access to anything for your funnel. Okay, for your website or agency, whatever you can say it. Then we have sites. So if I click on sites, it will open whole new settings for my funnels, for my workspace. What they are calling it, workspace. Now you can see it becomes little icons in the left side. Previously it was big, and now we can see we have a theme which is named hero theme. One actually theme is providing a overall look for our website. If I click on preview, you will understand what I mean. So you can see you already have a logo, we already have some menu, some icons, and then some content is already there which is provided from the theme, and then we can replace all of them very easily and building our own website to link people to other pages. Previously what ClickFunnels have, they don't have this type of things like header, footer or anything. They only focus on one single thing. Right now you can build a whole website and linking those your all pages in your menu to other pages. Like you can link people to your shop page where you can show all the courses together, where people can buy them all together, this type of things. And you can click on this link and you can click on customize theme to customize that theme, or you can click on explore new themes where they have made few pre-built theme. Like if you are a creator, you can choose this one. Then you have a theme from Launchboss theme. Then we have another few themes like fitness theme. If you are a course creator, you can use this theme. And if you are looking for agency, then this theme could be better for you because they have made those layout according to the niche. And then you can see how this actually looks like, which pages this comes with. It has a customer center, member login, courses home, modules, lessons, and whole other pages like checkout, blogging, coming soon page. And if you want, and if you found this theme helpful and you want to replace the current theme with that one, all you need to do is to click on install. We are about to install this theme into our workplace, so you can start getting customizing it according to your needs. If you click on proceed, this theme will be added into your account. Okay, and we'll find it after few moments. It will take some time to get loaded, and then we can make it our default theme. Currently they have made this one as our default theme. Okay, so this is the thing about themes, and then we have blog, where obviously if you know that we can create blogs, and if you know blog website, then you can understand what blog is all about. Then you can create community, you can create a store, okay, this type of things, many more settings to go with, but you can just explore those step by steps. And then they have a funnels, which also there is an option called funnels. This is the same thing. If you click on funnels, this comes to the same things. Then we have pages. If you're creating a privacy page, policy page, this where you will create them. Okay, then we have courses. Obviously what courses means we can actually understand. Then we have domains. If you want to add a custom domain and replace current one that ClickFunnels providers are for free, then we can connect existing domain if you already purchased from someone like Namecheap, or we can buy domain directly from ClickFunnels as well. So this is all about sites and sites overview, and funnels is all about creating a funnel for our course, for our membership, for our coaching program, everything. We'll see those, and we'll see what recipe means, what create funnel means. We will explore those step by step. After that, we have few more things like product. So what products actually means, if you are selling a physical product or digital products, that's where all comes in. And now ClickFunnels 2.0 collection. So if you have visited any e-commerce website, you know what collection actually means. Organized our products based on the type, like products for men, products for women, kids, this type of things. So you can go deep level using ClickFunnels 2.0. This why it can be now used for e-commerce purpose as well, but they are bringing more update in the future. Then we have orders. Whenever you will receive an order, it will appear in that particular area of your dashboard. Currently it is 0 because we are creating a new account. Every option you will find, like if people have subscription, if something has been abandoned from the card, this type of thing, invoice, everything you will find here after your revenue comes in and order comes in. Contacts, that means whatever information you have, the customer information you have, you will find them here. And also you can import them from CSV from any other provider. If you are using any other email marketing tool before, you can add all of them here. Then analytics, that means visitor and everything, you can add analytics here. And then we have marketing, that is the powerful thing, the email marketing and everything, the automation, which we'll cover in the later part of the video, because there is few things we need to add. So our email marketing will work properly with ClickFunnels 2.0. Other than that, we have payments AI, which is very straightforward. You need to click on it, and then you just need to fill up your information and create an account, and then connect your Stripe, PayPal with this option. Okay, this is how you will add a valid payment option into your funnels or website, so people can purchase your products from ClickFunnels 2.0 funnels, whatever you will build in the future. And then we have a setting button, which we can access again, and we can rename our agency, as well as you can add a workspace logo icon. So let me click on it, and I can upload an image. Click on upload image, and you can upload a fab icon type of things, like very small, just like this one, where as you can see there is a small head of me showing. It can be your company logo, something like this. Okay, so let me add this one. For example, you can add an image here as well, and as you can see it has been uploaded. So I'll click on select and then update workspace. Okay, so let's update it. Let's see where it will be added. Then we have these things, funnel agency, we can rename it again if we want to, and few more things. Then we have a collaborator things. If someone is working for you, I hire someone into your team, then you can add them by using their email. Then there is notification, there is billings, where all the billings will be there, which you can also connect, also cancel the subscription from the billing panel, and other few options like style, webhook, themes, this type of things, which is self-explanatory. You can just explore them if you like to. Now let's get back to the dashboard, and we will work with the real funnel and few more important things to know before building your funnels using ClickFunnels 2.0. Now let's talk about how to customize our theme and how to set up a style guide. So go to sites where we have a site overview and we also have a theme. So as you can see, this is our theme that we already talked about, and we have added a theme here as well which you can apply. So for me, I would like to apply that theme because for me the agency theme is going well. So in the past we see how to add this theme and make it available. Now click on publish to make it the default theme. So click on save and this theme will be published as the main theme. As you can see, the agency theme is right now our main theme, and also you can see there is the few things we can do. So now click on customize and this will open the customize the editing panel for that particular theme. Then this is the customization page looks like. Okay, it is loading and it may take some time, so please be wait and to load the panel perfectly. After that we can choose which page we want to edit. It could be home page, it could be store page or course page as well. So it is taking some time, so let's wait. So you can see this is our page looks like, and what we can do, we can understand how the editor actually works and how we can change our content. But before that, let me give you one of the most important thing that you need to focus, and the one of the most important setting and powerful setting ClickFunnels 2.0 is having a style guide. You can access it from here, you can access it from the bottom as well. So click on the style guide from the top menu. From the top menu, click on the style guide. What style guide actually means is set up a font, a consistent font all across your website and funnels. So you don't need to choose them manually every time. So click on fonts and then you can see this is the font, headline font. This is how it looks. Then you can see sub headline, then content. So you need, if you want to change the headline from to roboto to anything else, what you can do, you can click on the font and then you can search for the font. For me, I am using Poppins for that. Okay, this is the way it looks like, and it also being set up, and also the mobile sizing automatically done for you. Okay, based on the scaling, it is already done. So if you think XLR65 is very large, you can reduce it, but whatever they have setups is actually more than perfect. Okay, then you can come to headline and you can also change that font. So for me, for headline, I'd like to add Leto. Okay, for sub headline and for content, I would like to use Leto, and for that I want to use Poppin. So as you can see, this how it will looks like. Automatically scale and handle my font sizes for a smaller screen. So this is one of the best things, so you don't need to worry about sizes. So if it is 60 pixel, 50 pixel for desktop, it will be 30, 35 for mobile automatically. You don't need to do that. They have tested and made those settings for us for the ease of the use. Then I need to click on update to update those changes. Now all over the web page, the headline and sub headline and every heading paragraph will become those fonts. So we don't need to go to each of the section and make them manually do that. And also the headline size and everything will be fixed, but we can do the manual setting. This is just for making our life easier. Then we can go to colors and we can choose the theme color. As you can see, theme color, what the color should panel palette looks like, light background. Okay, this type of things. If you want to change any of it, you can do that. Okay, if you think this is not looking good and this is not getting colored background, when we are using this how it looks, dark background, as you can see, and then we have a darkest background. So this type of thing has been given by them, and if you want to rewrite them, you can do whatever you want. Shadows, whatever shadow style you want to use, if you want to edit them, you can do it. Same goes for buttons. What does the color of the buttons will be for background color. If this background color does not go with your brand, you can just click it and choose or put whatever hex code you wanted. And on hover, how the background color should be, if you want the hover color to be different, you can do that. And there is another few style, like if you click on 2, it comes with this design. Button style 2 is like this, button style 3 is like this. Everything is editable. If you think that you want to use this type of buttons but with a different background color, you can update that easily. And also you can see there is a button font has been added differently. So if I want to change it, because I want it to be pop in letter for buttons, and sub headlines, okay, but you can choose different font, the font that will go according to your brand. Then go to back to style guide, and then there is corners, okay, corner guide, whatever corner, that means in shape for buttons or anything, you can choose it. So this is one of the things you need to set up properly to make your workflow faster. After that, you can click on close button, and it will bring us to the editor once again. Another thing is the universal block. What the universal block is? The block that will be available in each and every page, something like header and footer, that is available for each and every page of our website. If the universal block edited properly one time, it will be updated in the other pages automatically. We don't need to update them 5 times manually for other 5 pages. It will be edited one times and updated automatically for all the other pages. So this is also an useful setting, and we will see how we can use it. To edit a universal block, we need to click on this, we need to hover our mouse, then you can see the blocks has been turned black. Then you can click on edit block, and you will find that the universal block is showing in the above of this area, because this is the universal block as we already discussed. Now we can change the elements from it, like logo, and update everything from it. Okay, so like if you want to update your logo, you can do it. Click on it, and then you can see this is the design and everything here. You can go on this image URL and then upload the logo from your PC. For example, I just replace it with my own image, and then you can also control the width and everything. There is many setting available here. You can make it large, big, as well as height things can be covered. Also, you can go for the quality to better. If it is low, then the image size will be less and loading will be less. So this type of thing. And then there is another more option available, like you can do some cool animation, but we will not cover this at this point. So if you want to have a background for your section, for example, you want to have a black background for this whole section, you can click on that section, then paint none background, and you can go with any background that you already discussed in the first part of the video. That reset colors, edit color style, something like this. As you can see, this how it looks like. Then you can click on light color background, lightest background, darkest background. You can see it is, but this is a different, I think. Okay, I think this one. So if you click on darkest background, you can see it already got the background. So I think it should be none background for the top. So this is just for the example. I will just go with none background because this part looks good. Save universal block. So just click on save, and this will be updated in the other pages. In the other pages, my image will be added in the other pages. So if I click on this, if I go to the store font page, you will find in my header my image or as the logo that I have added is showing. So you don't need to go to each pages and update that again. It will be updated automatically. Same goes for the style guide. Whatever font we chose has been updated according to it, but we can override them. Like if I go to this, click on this, and it will show all pages. So if I go to home page, now if I want to override a particular area for it, like for this headline, let's suppose if I scroll down, and I can click on like what is the typography, font size, I can click on override, and then I can choose a different font size from my style guide. Like for example, let's go with something less or something bigger. And also you can do line height things 100%, or you can make it a little bit more. As you can see, 130, 140 will look much better. And also you can increase the RAM. Also you can change the RAM to pixel. If the RAM does not make sense to you and you are new to RAM, then changing it to pixel can be make sense to you. So you can override that, but the style guide will help you to build faster. Then after making the changes, you need to click on save. So this how this works. You can access other pages from it, like how the course homepage looks like. As you can see how the course homepage looks like, you can go to that page, and if you want to think anything need to be changed, you can change it. So these are dynamic things. Whatever title given in the backend of our product, we have not added any product, so nothing is showing here, but we will see after adding the product how it looks like. Then we have module lessons, how each module lessons will look like, the inside of each module lesson, this type of things. Then lesson page, if you click on each of these, you can, this how the lesson page will look like, which we can update it and add dynamically. Currently there is nothing because we have not added any product or created any codes into our backend of the page. So this is the overall. Then other things is, you just need to just go to that particular area and then just then just update them. Very easy to work with. Okay, very easy to work with, and you can just replace each and every elements of your page dynamically. Same goes for the footer. Footer is also a universal block, which if you can click on edit block and update the logo, it will be updated automatically for all the pages. Then click on save, and if you want to see how it looks like in mobile, you can click the mobile view. This how it looks in mobile. As you can see, this how it looks in mobile currently. In mobile, this how it looks with 100%. But we want, okay, as you can see in mobile we can make it 2 column. Okay, then this will looks perfect, because if you are giving mobile side by side, then it is not readable anymore. This type of things can be fixed. As you can see, it is not fixed, so this is not a good sign. I think the theme should have been properly aligned. Like if I go to okay, so let's go to the row of that. Okay, and then scroll down, or section of it, or let's go to flex container and then make this happen. So it goes side by side, right? Like something like this. Then this looks better. Then if I go to this and also that particular, this looks, I think, better. Now if I go to that, and we just may need to change it something like this, which will make it looks good. And there is a many padding, I think, coming from somewhere else. So this how where it is not looking good. So we can, I think we can make it better, I think, but for some reason wrap, no wrap, something like this. Where is some design is still missing and not actually not looking good. So we need to click on those flex container, and we can just make this something like this, so it show each top of each other, because it is not looking good. So you can go for here, same goes for here, same goes for here. We can go to flex container, we already did it. For that we need to make that column like show above each other, so that's how it looks good. So you need to do some adjustment for mobile according to whatever you thinks looks perfect. Okay, so this how to, this is the overall idea of about the theme customization and editor. Now we will move forward about creating, adding products, creating funnel from scratch. Now let's add products and discuss about how to create a simple funnel to send an opt-in or sell a digital product. So what we need to do, we need to click on this and then click on exit editor to come back to our dashboard. Then we will start adding the products and creating our own products. So in that case, I will use this PDF as an example, where I am assuming I am selling a e-commerce guideline for people to increase their conversion, a PDF that contains a model to make a certain type of copywriting into, and then they can get result. Okay, this type of module I am selling. So for that, what do we need to do? We need to come on products first of all. Then we need to click on create product, and after that we can give a name for that product. Okay, e-commerce conversion boosting checklist. Okay, then description, this is also optional, but you can use AI. How I can write a product default attributes. How can I help you? Write a description for this product title. You can see there is a AI, they have generated something like this. Okay, then click on this and there it will generate as a description. The guide say how can do step by step to boost your conversion. As you can see, now I can just paste it here. It could be anything else according to your product. Okay, or as you can see, this is a digital product, but we can sell physical products as well. If you are selling something like watch, charger, anything else as a physical product. Now I can just close this bot, then click on create product. Then you can put the amount. The amount could be one time or it could be subscription as well. Okay, now the price for this ebook is 19.99 USD. Then click on set price. We can set it later as well, and then our product will be created. Now all the information can be updated from here. Okay, now you can see this is our title. We can choose an image for that product. So click on select and then upload the image from your PC. So let me go to and just choose a mockup for this, just for example. Nothing to do with it, but just I am showing you how you can add your own images for your product. The more optimized the image, the better it is, but it is very much large. Now we can click on this, we can add a compare price. You can click on this edit price and then you can compare price if we are running a discount. For example, if it was 49.99 but currently selling for this is a common practice in products, so we can do that. We can add product cost, but for digital product there is no cost, but if it is a physical product we can search for cost, and we can also check mark those if it is fulfillment it is required. This is only available only for physical products, because digital product does not have any fulfillment or does not have required any inventories. Then we can make it available in sales channel, unless it will not be able to purchase, we will not be able to purchase. So I will check mark those and then I'll click on update product to update those settings. Then we can add a text as well. What text? It is ebook, or also it is a e-commerce product, right, related to e-commerce. Then you can add it to a collection, but we are not touching the collection, that will get much larger. So advanced setting, there is some advanced setting. If I click on show, you can see there is many page live mode, something like this is enabled. Then we have the purchase actions. So if people purchase that product, what they will get? They will get a digital assets access, which is PDF. So I'll click on this new digital asset and then the name. So it is e-commerce conversion boosting checklist or framework. I think it is a framework. The PDF contains a framework. Then you can click on upload file and you can choose the PDF file. In that case, this is my PDF. I can rename that PDF, click on create file, and the file will be uploaded, and ClickFunnels will hosted those files. So in that case, ClickFunnels is hosting all of those things for the monthly chart. Then check mark this, then click on save, and whenever people purchase that, they will get this, and we will see the email automation and everything, delivery assets updated. As you can see, now it is added. And we can also give people course access with this product if it have. So we'll cover the course access later part. Now there is a variance thing. So if you are selling physical product, this is actually also applicable for physical products like color, size and everything. But if your digital products may have options or not, but for now this does not make any sense. So you can see we have created a products. Now we can sell this using a funnel. Okay, now let's move to the funnels. So click on funnels, and now we'll create funnel from scratch or from their given templates, which called recipes. What is the recipes? It is a word related to cooking. So you, for cooking a particular meal, you need a recipes. So they have also created recipes for funnels, which is just a process or manuals to follow. People are using over and over again to make your life easier. So you can choose one of the recipes and the steps will be there automatically to make the process faster. Now we'll click on the recipes. So then we'll find few options to choose from, as we already talked about. So if you are, it will make easier to choose a particular flow that we are using with. Like if you are giving something for free like opt-in page or lead magnet, then as you can see generate leads, it is saying what it does. And now in that case we are selling a product and we have a price for that product, we are not giving something for free. So in our case the product launch funnel is the best option to choose from. So if you have other options like application funnel, hero funnel, this type of things, then search for recipes that match your needs. So I'll choose the product launch funnel. You can create from blank, but this will make the process harder for you if you are just beginning with it. But we'll create a funnel from scratch, the design from scratch later part of the video. Right now we'll using their given templates, their given recipes, and also their given templates, and to customize it according to our needs to fast the process, because many people will not able to edit or do everything from scratch, they will confuse the process. So I'll click on choose to choose the product launch, and then you need to give this funnel a name. In our case it is e-commerce checklist, e-commerce checklist. So this is the e-commerce checklist or framework, whatever you can say, and we can change it later, no issue with it. Then you can see the funnel has been created. So we need to click on this again, and the all the flow will be showed, like what pages included. As we already see, there is 3 pages will be there. So you can see there is a sales page, there is a order page, and then there is a order confirmation page. So we need to click on the sales page, and then it will ask us to choose a design for that sales page. So just go with whatever you think's looking perfect for you. In our case this is a checklist, so you can see this actually looks better for us. It should be very simple, it should not be something very complex, because we are not using any video sales letter. If you are using something with video to promote your product, it could be for course, it makes sense to have a video sales letter. But we are, as this is just an ebook, this actually makes more sense. So because this is an ebook with some checklist, so click on this choose, and then you can see this how it looks like. And we need to give this a name. They're giving the name according to your template, but we are giving e-commerce framework ebook, e-commerce framework ebook. And then there is the URL has been automatically generated. You can also give a description just like we generated with AI. You can give it according to you, and also you can generate with ChatGPT as well. The use style guide will be use page style or use default style, CF2 agency theme style. So whatever theme style we have used in our theme, this will be applied here. But if it is use page style, then whatever font they have used, color they have used for that template, it will be applied there. So whatever actually suits you and meet your need, you can do that. But I will go with CF2 agency theme style. Index in search engine, so if people search with our page title, it should be found or not. If it is like that, it will not be showed. But if it stand on, then this page will be searchable in Google search engine. So click on create page, and this page will be created, and now we can edit that page. So now let's click on edit. So it is loading the preview, so click on edit, and this will be showed, and the editor will be comes up, and then we can edit all the information from that page. Just like before we customize the theme, the editor remains the same. Only things that we now you can see the design, this button and everything has been loading from our theme. Okay, now many things may not be suits according to that. So you can see lorem ipsum, this looks very much the ultimate e-commerce checklist, e-commerce checklist. It is very large, so I'll just try to click on the setting icon, and then we can go for L. Okay, something like this will make more sense. So I'll delete the bottom of it, and for this we can add some description, but we can override the color. It is not looking good with the theme that coming from that. So we'll go for color and then make it white, right? And also you can change the size because it looks very similar to our headline. So we'll go with setting icon and make it M size. Okay, and for the button, as you can see, it is already coming from theme, and I am happy with it, so I will not change it. Free shipping in the United States, I will delete that. Free shipping in United States, it is not required. Then you can see there is the ebook cover. So click on this icon to reset anything that you have deleted. So you can see this is coming from here, and this design is only for desktop only. So if we go to mobile, you can see there is a mobile only design has been done. So anything we are doing in desktop is not coming to mobile. We have to do the mobile editing again. Okay, because of the responsive things to make things look good. So you can add a book cover. So click on that book cover and upload your own book cover from your PC. So click on upload and you can upload a book cover. Right now I don't have any book cover to upload, and you can also change the background images. You get the idea. Then we have a pop-up. So if I click on the button, it is showing that it will open a pop-up. Open pop-up, and then what is the pop-up? So show pop-up, edit setting, and this is the pop-up that will be showed. Pop-up, show pop-up. So this is the pop-up will be showed. Be part of the action. Get your e-commerce. So people will submit the information and then they will redirect to the order page. We are collecting the information. We are not instantly redirecting them to the checkout page, because we want to collect their email and do the email marketing letter, which will cover get your e-commerce checklist with one click. Okay, and then we can re-edit the information, and also we can add more field as well. If we want to click on add element, and if you want to add more information, then you can add that. It is not general, it is not order page, not a checkout page as well. It is for you can see this is the information we can add. So we have a input field we can add here. If you want to add a mobile phone number, you can do that. So it has added the email again, so we'll click on it. It can be a phone number if you want to add phone number here. And this is the submit button, submit info, submitting. On click, it should go to the submit and order form. Okay, submit and order form, and order form enable redirect. So this is the thing, full width, and you can see the design how it looks like, and you can check and everything. I'll also change color, and after that just click on save changes, and then click on this cross icon to cross the pop-up, and you can edit all those text from here. If anything you see, as you can see, this is remains very large for a design. So what you can do, you can click on layout to see all the page layout that we currently have. As you can see, this is the page layout we currently have, all with all those sections, and everything can be accessible from here. But what I will do, I will delete few of them, so we don't need each and every section from this sales page, because this sales page is very long for that particular product. So if you think is not required, click on delete, click on delete, click on delete, delete, and delete all of them. We can give some why this book ebook wrote, we can explain that, and we can delete the rest of them. Okay, so to make it as short as possible and to the point, so nothing to add more than required. So delete, 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 and then we can leave a footer, right? So these two sections, oh, I think I have deleted the images. So click on image and then click the image and just replace the image with the one that we already added just for this purpose. And if we go to this thing called sub headline, so click on this setting icon and then scroll down, choose the white color. And if we go to mobile, we have to update the copy for mobile again, because the design has been done differently for mobile to make it responsive, I think. So click on that and then go with this to update. And also we need to update the images, the text from for also for mobile as well. So you can see, so you can update, we can update this like this, e-commerce checklist or e-commerce framework, something like this. Then click on save, and this will save the page and publish it as well. So then we can click on the next step, which is a order page. So click on the order page where we need to set up a design for our order page so people can order it. So then click on this, and then we need to choose a order page design. And for order page, choose something very simple and straightforward, nothing complex or to confuse people. So this order page actually goes well. 3-step order form, feminine order form, 2-step order form, 3-step. So we don't need 3 steps. I think you can go for something more basic challenge order form. We can choose this one, no issue. Then we can 3-step order form, then we can name it e-commerce framework, 3-step order form. Then you can make it in the enable in the search engine, create page, and this will create the page. And then we need to assign a product, so click on that and add the product that we have created, which is e-commerce guideline or checklist, as our product in the product section. So it is loading, and if people buying that, then this is the e-commerce boosting test. So click on select product and the product will be selected. Product quantity, single product, click on update. Okay, so it is already updated, so click on edit, and the same like before, we can edit text, logo and everything from this order page as well. So if anything is required to be edited according to your product, then just edit it, update your logo and information. And if these things are dynamic, you just can update the static things like these points, guarantee batch and everything, and also the footer. Okay, then other page is order confirmation. So click on order confirmation, where the order will be confirmed and the price and summary everything will be showed. So it is creating. So click on order confirmation and choose a design for order confirmation. And for me it is should be also very simple. So for me this designs looks perfect. This I think this design looks perfect. So click choose and choose that. And same like order confirmation, it could be only order confirmation. You can make it disable in search engine. There is nothing makes sense to find it in search engine. So then click on edit page, and then also edit anything if you think required to be added in your order page. In that case, every time you need to update your logo or give people some direction that please check your email spam folder, please check your email, please check your email to receive ebook PDF. Okay, PDF, something like this, which makes sense and give people a better direction. Also, if you have a free Facebook group, you can link it, come to the button, link the Facebook group. If you have a guarantee, and if you have a purchase information, access information, your email, everything can be updated from here. After that, click on save, and this will be saved and our e-commerce funnel will be launched. But what we can do, we can scroll back and we can just copy if you want to share this with people, so people can receive it. What you need to do, you need to click on this copy icon. So if people scroll back to that funnelish my funnel, you can paste this to your social media or anywhere. If you will click on that button, come a pop-up, they will fill up the information from there, right from there, something like this. Then click submit info, and they will redirect to the order page where they can make the order for that product, right? So this how they will purchase this product. Currently we did not have added any payment information, so it is not enabled to be purchased. So I'll just closing this, but we have launched a funnel very easily and simply using ClickFunnels 2.0. Now people can purchase it and you can share it. Also, we can add our own custom domain, as we already discussed. If we go to the sites, and you can go to domains, and we can add our own custom domain here. Currently we are using the domains from ClickFunnels gives us for free with myclickfunnels.com. You can click on connect existing domain and you can enter your domain. If you have a domain with Namecheap or anywhere, then you can click on add domain and you need to do some setting with it. Okay, wherever you have purchased the domain from, start domain setup. It is very easy. You just need to log into your Namecheap and it will automatically be added. Okay, so I'm not doing that because very easy to do. Or if you need manual setup, you can click here and read the documentation from it. Or you can buy domain from Google domain or ClickFunnels directly from ClickFunnels. Okay, find your domain. Now ClickFunnels is partnered with IONS. You can find your domain and add it straight away from ClickFunnels if you want to. So this how you funnel, and then you just replaced it with your own domain later when you are launching it for the audience. Now we'll discuss about the email marketing, how to use the powerful email automation inside ClickFunnels 2.0. Now we'll click on this icon called marketing, and we'll start browsing and analyzing all the options that provide for email marketing. First of all, we can see some of the pop-ups appearing like address needed, marketing email from address needed. Okay, so this type of things is required to making the email marketing works. And what the automation says is workflows. These are same like sequence of email, but workflows is different. It comes with triggers and behavior of our visitors or customers. So first of all, just fill up all those information according to your need. Okay, so this is just anything that you can think will work for you. Just go with it and put up your company information. Okay, something similar. And in the footer we need to put, you can design your footer here. We need to an international library email to have an unsubscribe link. Okay, so you need to have unsubscribe link so people can unsubscribe anytime. So this is the law, and we will hide powered by ClickFunnels badge. And system email address, from which email address people will receive the email. No result found, reply email, you can do that from email. Marketing email, reply to this, and no result found because we have not added any domain. This is required before you send broadcast. Please select your organization default marketing email. So then click on save changes. No thanks. So these changes will be there. Email addresses, so you can see this is the email addresses, add email addresses, and these are the email addresses that we have. Marketing email from address needed, so we need to add a domain unless this is not possible to add, because as you can see there is no result from email. We need to use those from email from our marketing email. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. So you need to add a email and professional email as well with your ClickFunnels account to make it work. Then we have workflows. So if we click on workflows, as you can see, we can create new workflow. Click on add new workflow and name it a workflow. So for me it is e-commerce checklist. So this is the thing we are making. Runs per contact back to back. Okay, only one run per contact, so multiple runs will be the best option to choose. So we can send a couple of emails to our audiences whenever they come one of our trigger. Click on trigger, click on add trigger, and event type will be opt-in, right? When people are giving their email into our funnel, if you know in the pop-up funnel, which funnel it is e-commerce checklist, and which page it is e-commerce framework ebook. Okay, allow anonymous contact, click on active, and then click create trigger. So after create trigger, add a trigger. So you can see close. As you can see, now we can click on this add icon. When this trigger will be added, what we need to do, we can click on tag contact. So we'll create a contact or a list to identify those people for future. Then we can send email newsletter to them as well. So we know these people coming from the people who are interested in e-commerce ebook. So click on that, and then you can just give this tag a related name that you want to remember. So for example, contacts tag could be ebook, could be e-commerce as well. So people interested in e-commerce will be going to that link. Click on create step and add tag. Okay, then after that click on add tags. We have added the tags into that, and what will happen, a tag will be added, and then after that an email will be sent. Okay, send email. So now you can choose emails from their already designed email. If you think these are good looking and coming from already from you, or you can design your own as well. For me this will also work, so I'll choose this one. Name, subject, first subject it will be e-commerce checklist or anything related to. You can give a pre headline from address. So this will be the from email address. Click on create, subject. Okay, then after that this will be added, and then what we can do, we can find that this has been added. You have to wait few moments, so click on it. No email, so the no email has been given. So name, okay, 1 minute. So click on that, and then we need to design that email or re-edit the email that we want to send to people. So if you want to, whenever people giving us their email, we may redirect them or send them an email to our checkout page, so people can check out our product. So when they are opt-in to our list, maybe they have not bought the product, so we will send them an email remembering them they can buy a product. So you can see this how it looks like. You can change each and everything, as well as you can add new things here as well with a paragraph, and you can change the logo and everything. No issue with it. Then you can click on publish, and this will publish this email, right? So now you can see it is loading. View current draft, discard draft, and exit. Okay, so now we can exit the builder, and you can see the email has been added. So classic email, we can rename that. Step setting, we can rename that classic email to fast email for checklist. Okay, fast email for checklist. We can send people to our order page. After that, what we can do, we can click on add, and then we can put a delay. Delay means it could be 1 day. So click on create. So after it will be got into this email immediately. Okay, and it will be after 1 day delay. We can add, we can send another email telling some of our story or something like this, or we can do conditional split path. What the conditional split path gives, it gives based on yes or no. So if you click on this, you will find that it is one of the powerful things about workflow, about modern workflow. So we can give conditional split test, filter email is set, email address, or decline purchased attempt, variant, whatever. Purchased product, if the purchased product is set is this. Okay, or we can add another condition. If it is yes, send customer the yes path if they match the following. Okay, click on submit. If they purchase the product, if it is yes, if they purchase the product, if they purchase the product, they will receive an email which could be a different email. And if they did not purchase the product, then they will send a new email. So what we can do, send a different email if the product has not been purchased. Okay, and this will goes on and on. Based on your need, you can do this type of conditional splitting and email marketing. And after that, if you think that this has been done, you can click on end workflow. Click on status enable, so the workflow will be deactivated, and then we can click on add. It is already will be done. And by email marketing, we can enroll people to our courses as well, our community as well, this type of things. End means create a new endpoint in your workflow. This is the end of the workflow. It is already will be ended by automatically. So this is the thing about workflow and email automation inside ClickFunnels. So this is very powerful. You can go more depth into it according to your need, according to your demand. You can do many things with the workflow. And if you want to learn more about from their documentation, click on learn more about workflow, then click those documentation that they have set up, how to manage workflow steps and everything. So this is about workflow and email marketing inside ClickFunnels. And there is another option called broadcast. Learn more about broadcast. So we can broadcast means a schedule. That means we can schedule a newsletter. Means if you have a weekly newsletter that you have created a funnel for, and you wanted to send those email to that particular people who will be tagged with these particular things, then broadcast is the option for us. and we can schedule emails for future as well. And email templates means the templates that we going to design by ourselves, that we will use and that we will save and will reuse for the future. And this email template could be one email template for only for my people for my newsletter, another email template designed will be for my people who are in my course, and the template can be different for each courses. So this is how you can create a template and then save it and reuse it when you send an email, and just get a name, give a subject and create a template, and then you will find it in the workflows. When you click the send email, you will find your own design email template under the tab. Now let's talk about courses, right? So if I click on funnels, I can go to courses, and here where is the online course? Here is the online course, where you can create online course, and by email marketing or with our product we can give people the access to our online courses. And for that I think we can click on create course, and then basic course, blank course, nested course, 3 modules, 9 lesson. Click on next step, basic course, and then give a course name e-commerce mastery, and give a title for that course. Okay, description for that course. The URL is this courses for you can change anything you want. Click on next step, course theme, thumbnail image. Okay, change theme, you can change the theme or you can give a thumbnail image for the course. So click on select image and upload the image. For me, I am just choosing the image that I have already uploaded, which is does not have any connection with my course. This course is free. Are you charging people? I will click on sell my course for a free. So which products to link for that course? Okay, so this is the thing. So you have to create a product, so the course will be linked to that product. Okay, so then I'm just pulling the information from the same product for ebook that I have added. Okay, then click on go courses. Then we can add the modules and everything for that courses. Okay, paid course. Now you can see this has been the module 1. So I can click on add content. What to add? Add a lesson under that module. So it will be lesson 1, right? Module 1. Parent name was module 1. We can change it to whatever we want. We can give a lesson name. We can click on create lesson, and after that we need to duplicate that process again and again. Okay, so how? Then we'll click on this expand all. So click on expand all. I can see M1 lesson. Okay, already they have created some lesson for us, so I'll delete this. We can add more lesson to this. What you can do, you can publish those modules like it is in the draft. We can click on publish. So you publish in the future, publish now, enroll all existing into this module, yes. Send enrollment email, yes. Update module, publish now. Okay, then click on expand all, and if you want to edit it, click on that module, then the module editor will be opened. Now we can change the title of the module like introduction, media. We can add some media to it if there is any, there is any audio video available for that. So like they have a downloadable item. I can click on add section. I can click wide, then I can click one column, and then I can add a video if I have a video for that lesson. And for the video we can click on we can click on the setting icon for the video, and then we can give the video URL. Okay, we can give the video URL. We can upload that video in our ClickFunnels as well. And if they have a video or a file to be added to that, we can upload that video or thumbnail or image or audio to that as well. Lesson URL, these are lesson URL. Then advanced setting, there is some advanced setting. Use default style. Template page, which template page should be used, this type of things, but we are not doing anything. You can add text here as well, right? You can add text to it also, like click on add element and then add headline, sub headline, paragraph, image, anything you can add to that lesson. You have to do the same thing for each of them. Or what you can do, we can click on close, and also you can click on this 3 icon, and if the module lesson format is same, then you can duplicate that lesson, rename it and re-upload the content. The structure will be similar, you just need to replace it, and then you can just click on this and publish that lesson for the students. The module has been published, but the course need to be published. So this how you can customize everything. And if you want to change the look of the actual theme of the course, then we need to click on customize, just like the theme site theme we already showed in the before. In that case, it will only load the course pages. In the previous part, we loaded the home page, we loaded the other pages, right? So this how you can readjust those things. You can add a background image, and also logo has not been updated. If not updated, you need to click on add block and then updated those. And if you can want to add a background image, want to use your image as an instructor somewhere else, you can do the editing by yourself, just like before we did. So I'll just exit it, because you can do it. If you understand the previous part, this is very easy to do. So this how to create a course, and then you can link that course to a product, or you can create a separate product for that course. Okay, right now I have just linked it to with my PDF, but you can create a separate course and you can make this as a product with your funnels, as well as you can make the email automation that when people purchase it, enroll them to a course. So if we click on settings, then these are the settings we can see, right? These are the settings we can see, and we can change those settings here as well. Okay, and few more things is if we click on that particular setting, where we can get this type of things, right? We can change the workspace name, which we already showed, but there is something called system emails. What it is actually the emails ClickFunnels already does for us. When courses, that means when people enroll to a course, how to give people the enrollment email. These are already, or module access, or a course enrollment notification, everything they have, or email they have already designed for us, automated for us. It will be sent them straight away. No need to worry about it, about the course enrollment, what the password will be, how to log in, this type of things will be given automatically, like module access, module notification, unenrollment access, or unenrollment notification. But if you click on this icon, you can see what will be sent. Email body, you can click on active and new course available, this type of things. Okay, subject line merge text. Okay, then click on save, send to new members. Okay, so this type of things is already done by the ClickFunnels about course enrollment and everything. All you need to do is to explore the workflows, especially this is very you can see we have the editor. Now you are enrolled course title, you can add your image if you want to, but I am not doing anything. There is an option to edit it, but the overall automation has been done for us. So this is the thing. So if you click on site setting, another things has been left, and you click on this three icon, go to site setting, and then there is the site setting. We can see the site title is my workspace currently, which we don't want. We want it to be our, with our course name, with our brand name. Like for me it is this one, something like this. For example, you can change your time zone, you can give a coming soon page if you are not launching it straight away. This type of things can given. And if you are running Facebook ad, this type of tracking code for your header footer can be put here. Okay, can be home page. What will be the home page? Agency theme home page. Okay, so this will be the home page, that means .com domain, paste. Default page title. Okay, default page title, what will be the default page title? Anything will be funnelish, then my everything what with my branding name. And you can change your fav icon from here, or your side header from here. Okay, so this is the overall thing about that. The overall setting, and every setting, every important things to know about ClickFunnels 2.0, its editor and its setting. Now we can continue to make a site or make a page from scratch to understand the ClickFunnels 2.0 editor, how it works, and how to design it with mobile friendliness for your use case. If you want to create custom layout for yourself without using any templates, then this part will be useful for us. But this is the overall video. If anyone watching this far, they will get overall idea. Now they can go forward and create their own courses, own paid membership and community using ClickFunnels 2.0.